Hi, I'm back. So I'm gonna chop dog onions because I am going to make onion masala. So chop, chop, chop. So I'm gonna have onion now. Wow, and then this is paneer. I'm gonna make like fried chicken. Fried chicken. I'm gonna fry this, but I'm gonna roll it over sa breadcrumbs and itlog and flour. Hindi ko na siya flour. It's flour. So, na siya buwak. Karina gusto. So, hiwa-hiwa lang ta kanila. Then I have some garlic. Nagagmay, di ba? Nagagmay jud. Hindi panit. Nakatapos. And then tomatoes. I need lots of it.